This is Indiana Whist on live. There's a big gushing stream here. People are dying. Run for your lives! Ah! Now, this is a natural habitat where you look in the field. Take a look. Please take a look of that mountain. Go! Look at it. Look at the mountain. Isn't that beautiful, folks? Bye-bye. This is Indiana reporting live on news. Goodbye, everybody. Testing. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, are you ready? There's going to be a party, and there's going to be a shake. Keanu's it. Woo! Get over here. Live, and look out into the garden. Yes, no! Wow. It's called frost. Oh, okay. Let's get back to work. So, today I have my friend Pumpkin with me. Say something for yourself, Pumpkin. Wow, that was fun. Sit here. We were just being cool. The weather today, right. The weather today. In West Vancouver, you might get a little chilly outside, so wear lots of coats so you get so hot and then you won't get freezing cold and die to death. Okay? So, and don't break the window. Sorry. And in Fresno. In Fresno it's cold with snow and yeah, so you'll be cool too, so put on a lot of jackets and so you won't freeze to death. So, in Mexico, no, not in Mexico, in Metro City, we have sun, a big sun, a sun.
Do a news report of what happened today, like crane crash.
Oh, okay. Today, a grandmother is turning 1,294 years old. Yay for her.
You can stop clapping now.
Okay. Another thing. Well, in Metro City, a train crashed. I hope everyone's okay. Blah blah blah. Okay.
Angry viewers, mad that it rained so much.
That was a coincidence.
Okay. Bye.
No.
Yes.
No.
Bye.
No.
Yes. Testing. 1, 2, 3. We are about to spy on
Sing.
We're gonna get told
on,
at my
so we
nuts.
better do it
Look at my
quickly.
nuts. My nuts. Yeah.
Oh my God, Quinn, what the heck is wrong with you? Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
What are we waiting for? We always I'm going to spy because we hide behind doors. Not spying.
Shut up.
Nutsack!
Nutsack, don't close the door. Open it a little bit. Why'd you yell out nutsack? You got something wrong with you.
Because I'm funny.
No, you're not. You're such a nutsack. Come on, come on.
Can I bring out this sword too?
Come on, you nutsack.
Can I bring out this sword?
No, we don't need weapons. This way, and don't yell out nutsack.
Okay. Hi, get out.
Oh.
Hi, seriously, you failed. You're not allowed to. Leave us alone. They told me to. Mom, Cole's still bugging us. It was not my idea. Where's your bed?
Okay. I can't wait.
Stay out of my room. Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Now we will be stay cool.
Our mission failed. Thanks to a nutsack.
This feels so good. Did you have chocolate today? No, I had pepperoni. Oh, I hate pepperoni. Hey, no, that's my side of the lip. Blah! What the heck? You barfed on me, you idiot. Sorry. Blah! Barf power! Hey! Hey, where's my head, face? Hey, what are you doing? Get out of our league!
we are in Mexico. Yes, we are. This is Alexa.
Hi. I'm a nerd.
You are?
Going on to the second nerd.
Right now we are at a restaurant. A very weird one.
This is 2011.
11.
11, yes. And the cake is...
And Dad, can I go look? I just want to show this. I mean, just look at all the rooms. That's a lot of rooms.
Oh gosh, this is the fanciest restaurant in the... No, it's not. It's not. Dude, that's Trevor King. Look at, I made a bow.
Doesn't look like anything. Hi.
And show the wall.
Okay, going out.